Yup, that's a sorrow beat.
Hey, let's get after it. Hey, we're the only team left playing on TNBA on Sunday. On the boys' side. Only team left. So now, if you're playing on Sunday, you're doing pretty good. Right? You're doing pretty good. We're in the top bracket. Let's go ahead and take care of business. And 25, he's their guy. He's active. He's going to be physical. He's going to get the ball and be active. But we're going to do what we do. We're going to get the rebound. Everything they do on the perimeter, switch that, and run. When we play fast, we're good. We don't want to dribble that ball too much. Let's play fast. Here we go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Win.
Oh, they double it. So, you know, hey, when they double swing it, it's a high post. Fine. Good. Rebound. Oh, try to do it. They double, hit the high post.
Nova, get it moving. Good. Get it moving. Good. Good attack. Yep. Alley-oop. Strong. Come on. Hey. Move. Got 12. Hey, get him right. Right up. Yeah.
They trap me in the middle. They trap me in the middle. Automatic. Play up, Z.
Good. Going where I need to.
Hey!
Home.
Hey, let's go! Z, you gotta get that!
Same one. Oh, that's the same one. Luke 2.
22 guys to the time, 22.
Luke 2.
Hey, watch the inbounders, they go right back to him!
Yep. Hey, he's gonna jump on us. All right, well, that's one, right?
When you're done, take all of our discussions, Holbrook and all the stuff, and just put the binder in that right in there.
53.
Let's go! And one! Hey! Let's go!
One shot. Run it, kid.
Go, Casey, go! And a foul! Hey, good job, Case. Way to go! Let's go, push! Eminem! Good job, son. Good job, son.
On the floor. Four to go. Go.
Let's go, 22!
Good. Do what you got.
He's gonna go right back to him. He wants to go right back to him. And they want to go right back to the inbound every time.
No way.
He picked up his dribble. Hey, let's go!
He's done.
Eminem! No way! Ooh, that was definitely a travel.
Come on, Carlos, get there. Come on.
There we go, all the way, Casey. There you go, let's go.
Right?
Come on, bro. Good. Get back. Why are you closing? Thank you. What's up? Who's up top? Go on. Good. Stay. Go. 22. Stay middle. Thank you. Go. Let's go.
You can't leave him open.
Thank you. Hey.
He got 9 points. Coach, you let him come in and score 9 points.
Come on.
That's 2 on Casey.
Get back.
2 on Casey. 3's got 2, right? No. Yeah, 3's got 2. Yeah, he's got 2, coach. He's got 2. You see, they got to go back. They're not even rebounding anymore. We're beating them every time. They're at 22. They're in a 1-2-2. They're in a 1-2-2. 22.
Go middle. Let's do it.
And they're, let's go, push! Don't let him set up! You're in a 1-2-1. 1-2-2. God damn it, Zachary Cruz.
Hey, hit the middle on offense. Automatic 2 points. You got the ball. Side out. Hey, 2-1-2. They shot ready.
They're playing high. Back. Swing it. Get him to rotate.
Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Touch middle. Good. Touch middle. Good.
No, why would we take those? God damn it. Swing it!
Knock it! Let's go! Back slow! Let's go, team! Let's go, team!
Short! 22! 22! Good job, Will! All the way, Will! Hey, let's go! You gotta call a timeout! 5 seconds! 5 seconds! What are we doing? Oh.
Hey!
How is that allowed? Why is he not called a timeout?
Hey, but if this came off, I would tell y'all, I would tell them to stop the game for y'all too.
Championship game, man.
It's a championship game.
Well, I mean, this is going to it, right? I mean, we're trying to go to it.
First time, that's all. Hey, the rules are the rules, right?
I don't know why they did that.
Out.
No, the ref don't say it. Who's good though, right? He did it, that's what I'm saying. I'm just playing the rules, so we're good.
Bad pass, Will. Swing it!
Hang out.
Hey, let's go!
Look first.
Keep the energy up. The coaches, they're going to play zone because they can't guard. And his thing is they got to shoot us out of it. We keep playing patient. Now the thing is, at the end of the game, you gotta really work that high post. Yeah. They play that little soft ass 3-3 zone. And if that ball moves around the perimeter quick, we have to paint touch on ball first or hit the high post.
Yep.
Right? They collapse and kick out and make shots.
On a miss or make.
That's what works though. Swing, that shot's going in. I knew that bitch was going in. Patient. Now here, keep going. When the little guys, now look, we figure. Let's go, let's go.
On a miss or make, we got to push the ball quick.
Finish out there. Let me do it.
Finish.
Hey, wait. Cam, come out.
They're running
no,
5
go
out.
in. Come get it. Go.
Switch it.
Give it to him. Give it to him. That's it. Get on it.
Travel. Jump ball. Eminem. We got to go Skittles or Dots because of their zone. Swing it! And 1! Hey! 22! Remember, we still got 2 timeouts, coach. Ah, we ain't got anybody back.
Time out.
Keep it from their throat. Right now, our ball movement against the zone is working. Now they're running hard at 3-point line. We get layups now. Keep the same shit going. Keep the same thing going. Don't change offensively. Keep the same thing going. Defensively,
They're trying to run a 5 out. They're trying to run a 5 out and get the big guy down low. They're trying to get you guys in foul trouble. So don't jump at his first jump because he's going to pump fake and then he's going to run into you.
The help side is what blocks that shot. First guy, stay home. Help side come block. He's a 1 out 3. 1, 2, 3.
Win. There it is. Good pass, Casey.
Hey, stop. Stay in the middle, Noah. Noah, hands right there. Turn it up.
What, he handed to him?
Yeah, just don't touch the ball.
Thank you. Thank you. Noah, please. Please, baby. Come on. Move two. Move two. Got it. Be strong. Something. Let's go. Noah. Come on, bro.
Get back!
Good. Turn it up. Don't get it, Rudy. Nova. Good. It's us. Hey, run it. Good job. Good job. Hey, Noah. Hey, Carlos. Hey. Box. What is it? Box. I don't know it. Box. Box 2. Flash Noah. Flash Noah.
Wow, there you go. Let's go, Bryce. Good D. Let's go before they set up.
Go get it. Come on, man. Johnny, look.
Hey, good shot, 11.
Look, get down.
God damn.
Hey, good shooter.
Let's go. Swing it. Swing it. The cut was there. They're trying to trap it on. They're trying to trap it on the wings. Those low wings. They're trying to trap it.
Stop ball.
Stop ball! All you, David. All you. Let's go. Yeah, right? He's tried like 3 times. Every time he misses it. I'm like, dude, come on. Let's do that at home, not here. Yeah. We got like 2 that can do it in practice, yeah. Good shot, 11.
Gotta let him lay in. Go post up, Noah. Now. Sam, come get the ball. Give him the ball. Outside.
Great shooting, man.
Yeah, David.
Oh, that was 13. My bad. I thought it was him. I'm like, dang, man. My bad, dude. I thought he was going back in the game. I was gonna tell him, the dude came off the bat and got 9 points. Like,
No, right?
like bam, bam. I was like, dang. You better play some D.
Go to Noah, please. Noah, flash.
He gave them energy.
Hey, man, they're going to be watch it.
He cut. There you go. Way to stay with him, Zach. Box out.
Good boy, DJ. Yeah, DJ.
I saw the 3. I'm like, oh, it's 13. Hey, dude, way to come out the bench and shoot, man. Like, you gave your team the energy they needed. Like, those shots were, like, outrageous. Gotta be a better pass. They're long. We have to push. Nope.
All right, look, we're in the driver's seat. All right, you got you. The driver's seat. But our passes are lazy as hell all of a sudden. They're just lazy. They ain't to the rim, they just lazy. Throwing slow passes across the skip. No. Penetrating pitch.
We gotta move quick.
They haven't came out that zone yet because they can't guard man to man, and they're not. They're gonna stay there. So we don't have to rush nothing. But when you catch it, guards, make real plays.
Let's go, Brent.
Finish our thing. 1, 2, 3.
Finish. On the floor. You gotta have someone in the high post. Bucket, short, long. Guys, we gotta be strong down there. Nope.
Noah, start short corner. Go to the short corner now. Everybody can beat it.
Put your jersey back in. Are you gonna go sit with your mom? Go back in and go sit with your mom. Quick one. You're good. Don't be so good at that, man. What you're doing is throwing the lobs over.
By backing it with the ground, or let him go and drop it. You're just right? Boom. What do you do? this shit is over. Put your foot on their neck, beat them by 50. Put your foot on their neck, beat them by 50. Do not let up, you understand? Win on 3. 1, 2, 3, win. When the guard is driving, they look at the pass. So bluff at him and still a pass. Hold your ground! Hold your ground! Go! 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 Go fast! Go low, Bryce. Stay in middle. Stay in middle. Stay in middle. Elbow. Good. Go, 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 go! Oh, hey. Get Carlos.
Short.
Hey! Go!
They're playing frustrated. Blue's playing frustrated now.
Nobody has an answer today.
Hey, come on!
Boards.
Let's swing the ball.
Don't let it out! Good! Good! Good, man!
Hey! Push, push to that set up, go! Drive! And 1! Push!
Hey, Cam, come out, run and go! Run and go! Touch middle, Keith!
Bryce. Coach, Bryce got 2 now too. Bryce got 2. Bryce, Kaysen, and Zarek. Bryce, Kaysen, and Zarek have 2. You can't let 33 get hot. You can't let him shoot at all.
Do not let up. The one thing that's working, hey, we got to do a better job of how they guard us. When we got the ball in offense, they're sticking that 2-3 zone still, the 1-2-2, whatever the hell it is.
They're 1-2-2.
And when the ball is stuck on the side, they're going to come track. That's it. Let them come track. And then the other guard stay available high, hit that high post. When you catch it, ball fake. Hit the high post.
Because the bigs are coming up. That's how that last one got stolen, was our pass to David. He knew it was coming, and he got it. So be ready, because those back 2 on the 2-1-2, they're going to come up and get that.
And when we hit the high post, that corner's there. Guys, cut. Here we go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Win.
Go!
It'll be 3 on Garrett. Hey, Zach, remember, you can't help too hard. I know, I'm just letting you know, you can't help too hard because he can shoot. I know, I was just reminding you.
Like, if you're in that situation, like Derek was, he's going to meet him at the rim. If he's going down like that, don't either take the charge or meet him right at the rim. Block at the rim. He's trying to go to the body. Block at the rim.
You got to keep it above 20.
Face. Put that stuff.
Derek picked up his third on that.
Watch that back in there. Us, go. You got a hand on him. What are you doing? No, I know it's juice. You're doing to 2 people. Go. Go get it, D. Right there. Got him. Gotta have it. Keep going. Get it. Come on, bro.
He's just standing there.
Win it. Good. Come on, bro. Go. Turn. This side. Get it out.
Play defense, let's go! Can't leave him.
All that stuff you take to her, open up. He don't live like that. He don't live like that.
Go.
Make him run. Let him have that. They don't make him go run. Jack is solid man now.
Nope.
DJ, tie your pass up.
7, 6, 5, go! 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, listen, leave Will, suction, and
We got a running clock.
we got a running clock. We're up 19. All right, so we're up 19. So 1, 2, you can stay, and then you stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You start the 4th quarter. Listen, everything before this is done. Everything before this is done. It's 0-0. We're starting the 4th quarter. Let's go out there and play. We know they trap in their zone. We're here to make better passes. Our passes are lazy, so they get a few buckets. They're gonna miss their first shot. Rebound and run. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Finish. Will missed the first pass. Right through his hands.
Hey, Will! Take your ass up.
They're up.
Watch out, go down.
Turn and go!
Get it.
Go get Will! Go get Will!
We gotta go.
Will! You me at first.
Hey, give him the ball. Give him the ball. They got 5. Hey, go.
Good, man. Come on, get yourself together, Will.
By you.
Run, sprint!
Hey.
They didn't blow the whistle? He blew the whistle down there. 14 blue with a foul. 14 blue with a foul.
Bryce, what the fuck? Go get Bryce. Hey, he wasn't even open. doesn't mean you have to pass it. Things gotta be there. Yeah, we gotta lock in, coach. Everybody's all discombobulated.
Yes, we are.
Thought the shit was over. But if you make dumbass passes, lazy passes, you're not playing defense, they will come back. They will come back and you will lose. Everybody's gonna dial in here. It's not over. Too many guys have turnovers. 1, 2, 3. Way too many turnovers. We played 3 minutes. We played 6 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm sorry, 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Come on. Lock in. Lock in. 1, 2, 3.
Away! Away! You're gonna press, come on! Lead the press with it.
Should be on the floor. Keep the jersey tucked in. You want to go back in?
Come on, Noah. Good. Good. Got it. Go get it. Go drop it. Go. Come on, Rob. You. Come on. Go get it. Oh.
Short.
Rebound. Drop him. Drop him. That's us. That's us. No. That's clear. That's a clear.
Hey, look, if they trapping everywhere, call fake.
Come on. Go get it, Sam. Go. Get him. That's right, keep working. Go. Push it.
That's what.
No. All three are close. Come on, son, man. You're missing a lot. Here, come on. Get it.
Fifth.
All right, come on. Come on, you got. Go middle. Come on.
Payson, why?
Sam, come on.
All you do is make it open down. 1, 2, 3. They gotta run. Remember that. They gotta run.
Wolf. Good move, Such.
Get out!
There's a minute left. Now we just gotta play. We just gotta move the ball around now. It's done. You gotta take care of the ball. Just take care of the ball. That's all we gotta do.
That is everything. We gotta start with the dangerous passes. If they shoot that gap, they go that way. Even though it's over, we don't want to give up. We don't want to make that decision.
Nope.
Go 2-1-2. When you get it, ball fake. They're gonna double it like
They're gonna double it automatically.
Swing that ball and hold it. But don't hold it like this though, right?
Yeah.
I'm saying be smart. No cross-court passes. Finish all three. 1, 2, 3.
Finish. They got to play man-to-man now. They're man.
Go, Carlos. Wait on it. Go, keep it. Wait on it. Wait on it. Wait on it. Yeah. Into it.
Foul.
Into it. Go. Go. Go get it. Got him there. Got it. Got it.
That's it. Good game, guys. Yeah. Let's get ready. We're going. Let's go. Hey, good game, guys. Good game. Hey, Cam, good game, bud. Hey, good shooting, boy. Hey, good game, coach. Hey, good game, coach.
44 seconds, good. Hey, shut up over here.
I'm gonna send it out in a minute.
So we win the game. We make the necessary adjustments. Now, you know, the beautiful thing about basketball is some guys play good all the time, some guys don't. Some guys have good games and have bad games. The good thing is there's another game. If you play bad one game, it doesn't mean it's gonna happen the next game. If you play good, we're always in control. You're always in control of everything. That's why I love this game so much. It's your world out there. So whatever happened that game for you individually, if you did bad, okay, and do better next game. If you did good, now sustain it. We all have little choices to make. I'm proud of you guys. Awesome job. Awesome job.
It's in the group chat.
We got 2 games left, right?
Yeah, so even the next game, win or lose, we play. So if we win, we play for first or second. If we lose, we play for third or fourth at 4 o'clock. So we play at 2 and 4 o'clock. No matter what, we got 2 games.
There's nobody better than us. There's nobody, it doesn't fucking matter. There's nobody better than us. Win on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Win.